This is Nautical Outdoors with some deer hunting tips to get you going on your next hunting trip. So let's dive right in. You ever wonder why that elusive buck remains just out of reach despite your best efforts? Deer hunting, a tradition passed down through generations, can sometimes seem more like an art than a science. But fear not. Today, we delve into some practical, easy-to-follow tips that could turn the tide in your favor. First off, remember, deer are creatures of habit. They follow the same paths, or deer trails, day in and day out. Recognizing these trails and setting up near one is a surefire way to increase your chances of spotting a deer. However, avoid setting up directly on the trail. Instead, position yourself nearby, ideally downwind, to keep your scent from alerting the deer. Next, timing is everything. Deer are crepuscular animals, meaning they are most active during dawn and dusk. Scheduling your hunting trips around these times could significantly improve your success rate. But remember, patience is key. Deer hunting is a waiting game. Thirdly, camouflage is more than just wearing the right clothes. It's about blending in with your environment. This includes minimizing movement and noise. Deer have keen senses and can detect the slightest hint of danger. Also, consider using a deer stand or hunting blind to further conceal yourself. Additionally, understanding deer behavior and biology can give you an edge. For instance, during the rut or breeding season, bucks are more active and less cautious. This is an ideal time to hunt. Also, knowing the signs of deer activity such as rubs, scrapes, and tracks can help you identify potential hunting spots. Finally, invest in good quality equipment. This doesn't necessarily mean the most expensive gear, but equipment that is reliable and suits your needs. A comfortable, warm pair of boots can make all the difference during a long wait in the cold. Similarly, a sharp, durable knife makes field dressing a deer much easier. In summary, successful deer hunting involves understanding deer behavior and using it to your advantage. Position yourself near deer trails, but remember to stay downwind. Hunt during dawn and dusk and exercise patience. Blend in with your environment, minimize noise, and consider using a deer stand or hunting blind. Understand deer biology, particularly during the rut, and learn to identify signs of deer activity. Lastly, invest in reliable, suitable equipment. Deer hunting is a rewarding, albeit challenging endeavor, but with these tips in hand, you're well on your way to becoming a more successful deer hunter. Happy hunting!